Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best self-cleaning litter boxes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PetSafe ScoopFree Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. This automatic litter box by PetSafe claims to have odor control and scoop-free properties, and reviewers can attest to this claim. It automatically rids your cat's business into the waste bin, meaning you won't need to break your back trying to scoop or add in more litter. Plus, this litter box comes with and works with crystal litter, which absorbs the litter box smell caused by urine and is 99% dust-free. Even better, this litter box is easy to clean and keeps the floors clean, since the special litter that's used is made to not stick to your cat's paws. It even has a hooded cover, leak protection, and a health counter which tracks how consistent your cats are at using the box. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Litter Robot 3 Connect by Whisker. Litter Robot Connect 3 is a Wi-Fi enabled, self-cleaning cat litter box that can be controlled right from your smartphone. Through the Litter Robot app, pet owners can monitor how frequently their cat uses the litter box and the current status of its usage. The app can also start a deep cleaning cycle to dispose of cat waste and even get notifications when the waste drawer is full. A patented sifting technology automatically separates solid waste from clean litter, collecting the waste in a drawer that can be emptied at any time. This can be ideal for multi-cat households, since cats prefer a clean bed of litter to do their business in. However, some users report that odor control can be hit or miss with this cat box's cleaning feature. At number 3, we have the PETKIT PuraX Self-Cleaning Litter Box. While running on the pricey side, PetKit PuraX Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box is compatible with several different types of litter. Though PetKit recommends filling the box with its own brand of cat litter, the compatibility offers pet owners more options to use their favorite cat litter while taking advantage of the device's automatic self-cleaning litter properties. In this cat litter box, a purifying liquid works to remove odor while helping to keep the device clean. It also comes with an auto-cleaning or scheduled cleaning mode, meaning you can set the PetKit to work on your time. You can monitor litter box usage through an app as well. If your cat is on the larger side, this box may not be right for you. PetKit recommends this product for cats up to 18 pounds. At number 2, we have the Omega Paw Roll N-Clean Litter Box. Available in green, blue, and black, this Omega Paw self-cleaning litter box is much more affordable and budget-friendly than most of its competitors. While it doesn't have a monitor for catching potential health issues or Wi-Fi capabilities like some of the pricier self-cleaning cat litter boxes, it is a good automatic litter box for getting the job done with no frills. An integrated step can help your cats easily get into the litter box while also catching excess litter stuck to their paws upon exiting. This can help reduce litter mess even further while improving accessibility for your furry friend. Some users complain that this litter box runs on the smaller side and may not be large enough for bigger cats. And finally, at number 1, we have the PetZone Smart Scoop Automatic Litter Box. PetZone Smart Scoop Automatic Litter Box aims to give pet owners a hassle-free experience without having to completely redo your cat's litter routine. Its design is compatible with multiple cat litters, and it uses carbon filters that promise to reduce odor. While some self-cleaning cat litter boxes feature hoods or closed-off designs, this device has an open layout, which may or may not be beneficial depending on your cat's preferences. It also claims to be up to 75% quieter than similar products. However, some users claim that the motor doesn't last long. The good news is that in case of an issue, there's a 1-year limited warranty. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.